We are on the study abroad trip to Spain over J-term.
So I always knew I wanted to study abroad since I came to Bowling Green. However, I knew studying abroad for an entire semester just was not feasible. So when I found out about the winter session, I found out that this was basically my only opportunity, so I wanted to take it while I could.
So with J-term being added to the school schedule, there's a few extra weeks where we don't have school, and I wanted to go do something.
This J-term made it a perfect opportunity to go on this trip and kind of experience a different culture for the first time.
I do not think I would have had this opportunity if there was no J-term. It's only because the extended break that I had this chance.
With the way that architecture studios are set up, there's no time to take a semester to go abroad without J-term. It's such a perfect time for us to be able to go. I actually really love coming here in January because it's off-season for tourists. So we get to have a lot more interaction with locals and trying to integrate into local society rather than just going to tourist-filled attractions.
I think study abroad is an extremely valuable experience because my opinion is you can only learn so much in a classroom. I think study abroad is a great experience because it gets you out of the classroom and into the environments and structures and introduces you to individuals that can really help you grow and have a better understanding of the surrounding world.
Coming on this trip, I definitely needed to open myself up because I was coming into a new country with all these people I didn't know. I am really glad I came anyway. Like, I was a little bit nervous and I was like, maybe I should get a friend to come with me, but I'm glad I'm just like here at all.
Before I went on this trip, I really knew no one, but now I've got 9 new friends to kind of see and make new connections with in my future career. It made me realize that even though I have a group of people that I kind of associate myself with at BG, it kind of enlightened me to open up and talk to these people who I really don't see at all, and I think that was really beneficial to me.
I think is a very big positive that BGSU has these kind of opportunities for students.
I absolutely think that Bowling Green offering these trips is almost essential. The opportunity to study abroad is such a big deal. We get to learn so much more by going. As most people know, you learn a lot more when you're actually working than just sitting in a classroom. It helps so much, and we get such a different type of education to what we get back home.
Getting out and experiencing other cultures is important for any field, so I definitely feel like everybody should do it.
I would definitely recommend studying abroad to other students, and it's an amazing opportunity to really grow yourself as an individual, but also learn a plethora of new things, new information, see fantastic sights. It's definitely a life-changing, life-altering experience.
I think I'm more capable and less afraid to take bigger risks because of this trip.